I welcome you once again to my channel, Tell a Tale. Friends, I hope you would have watched my previous video of Composition Writing Part 1. If you have not watched it yet, kindly click the link given in description below. Last time I had discussed with you narrative and descriptive compositions. Today I shall discuss Augmentative, Storybased and Picturebased. Friends, Augmentative compositions are very well designed compositions, because here we have to convince the reader to think what you are thinking is right. Basically, this sort of compositions are asked on the topic where you have to take a stand either for or against. So many times my students ask me, is it safe to attempt such compositions? They think that maybe examiner thinks differently. Suppose if they are writing it in for and if he is supporting against the motion, then I tell these little devils that you do your work. And if you have an art to convince your examiner, your readers through your logics, so definitely you will be successful in writing argumentative compositions. So friends, here two things are important. First, that you have to convince your readers through logics. Convince and logics. So, again I am repeating, in argumentative essay composition, your writing skill should be very up to the subject, and you have to convince your readers through your logics. So, two very important things for argumentative composition writing is, first, you need to have that art of convincing, and second is to give strong logic so that you can make other person think what you are thinking. Before I switch to the next composition, let me tell you, when you are writing an argumentative composition, please take one side. Stand either in for or in against. And never ever at the end of the composition try to mix them by saying that little bit the use of mobile phone is okay, but not much use is okay. No, you have to say whether it is okay or not okay. Right? Coming to the next is story-based composition. Friends, story-based compositions are asked by giving opening line of the stories or giving the theme of the story. Story writing is an art that we need to develop in us. How? When you are going to write a story, first of all, think about a strong plot where you will build your story. You know, when we have to build a building, first of all, we need a plot. So in the same way, to build our strong story, we need a strong plot, genre, the flavor on which you will base your story. Second thing, that you have to think about suitable characters. Some major, some minor, who will be supporting the major characters. Then these characters together, they will be creating some events, some incidents, and you have to weave these incidents and events together. Next thing, there should be rise and fall of the actions. And finally, your story reaches to climax. These things are the technicality about the story writing. When you are attempting such sort of compositions, you need to have practice in advance to develop the sort of taste for writing stories, right? Whatever I said, having a nice bully plot, characters, major and minor, rise and fall of actions, and proper reaching to the climax ends up writing in a good story. Next is picture-based composition. Picture-based compositions, of course, as its name indicates, there will be one picture given. Let me tell you, on the given picture, you can simply write an article, you can express your views, or you can write a story. So, what the things are involved in writing a story that I have already narrated you. But this time you have to be careful that this story was based on given hints. But this should be, here the story should be based on the given picture. So, I would suggest that first of all, give time to study the picture. Stay there to study the picture. And once you cracked that picture and made up your mind, then you can start writing either a story or just a nice description of the given picture. Friends, these are the types of composition. There could be some more. But the next thing, how to write a composition. How to write a composition? For that, I teach use of CODER. This is CODER, called coder. About this, I will talk to you in my next video. Till then, revise my videos. See them again and again to learn the keywords from them. Before I wind up, I thank you for liking my videos and subscribing my channel. Do subscribe so that I can reach to the more people. Bye-bye and see you soon.